This is a 2016 Honda Pilot Elite. It has 6 cylinders, the VTEC engine, 3.5 liters. AutoCheck gives this Honda Pilot a score of 95 out of 94. And it shows it has not been in any accidents or had any damage reported. You can view the AutoCheck report by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. Let's go inside now. You have the power lift gate. And there's more storage under here. That's your access to your spare tire. And then these seats fold down. Nice and flat to carry those longer items. Ski, snowboards. Hopefully the weather will change here pretty soon and it will be kayaks and beach supplies. Alright, you've got aluminum alloy wheels over here. And there's your tread on the tires. Let's go inside now. The interior is a gray leather. Here are your middle row bucket seats. And your back passengers have a nice panoramic sunroof there. As well as they can be entertained by a DVD player. They have heated seats, control of their climate, and a 150 watt plug, as well as a USB ports and headphone jacks, as well as audio ones. To access the back, there's a button back here. I'll show you in just a second. That button right there moves that seat forward so that your third row passengers have an easier access to getting to the back. That is a nice feature. All right, let's go front now. You have dual power seats. Here's the passenger seat. This menu screen is also where your backup camera is, and all of your options you have there. And then tri-zone climates. There's your DVD, heated and vented seats, auxiliary ports, USB, 12 volts. And then there are no caution or warning lights on. There's your cruise control, phone controls, heated steering wheel, menu selections. You've got lane assist, collision warning, park assist, blind spot monitoring, seat memory, and power locks, power windows. And then your front passengers also have a sunroof, and that one can open or be vented as well. There's your sunroof controls, as well as 3 garage door transmitter options. And then there's that, and then here. If you are looking for a 7-passenger SUV, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this Honda Pilot out for a test drive. We are located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll drive away with a smile. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!